I'm gonna show you how to cook the Presa Iberica with the Mojo Verde and the veal stock. First of all, what we need is a small pan in a medium heat. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut the label from the Presa, remove it. Very simple. Just like this. And place it to the pan. The bay leaf, remove it. Gonna season it, salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna cook it for maybe like 2 minutes each size. And you start to see it's getting like a nice golden brown. Turn around, and you season again. 2 minutes. And we get there, turn around again. Look at that caramelization you have. When I press on the fingers, it's telling me if it's getting soft, that means all the fat infiltrate is getting melting. So that is telling me that the pork is starting to be cooked inside. I'm gonna switch it off and I'm gonna leave it to rest for 2 minutes. Mojo Verde in the plate with the spoon, just like that. Veal stock, just one corner like this. We're gonna place to the pan. To finish, olive oil. The Presa Iberica, we serve it nice and pink. That's the way you should eat it, because it's gonna be juicy. Don't be afraid to eat a pink pork, because this is a acorn-fed Iberico de bellota pork.